Western Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 2:15 p.m. At 1:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newcastle or near Wilmington, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations of hazards include Wilmington, Glassboro, Pennsville, Goodman, Clayton, Kearney Point, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Woodstown, Halloway, Woodbury Heights, Swedesboro, and Elmer. For your protection, move to a secure room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey, Gloucester, and Salem.